In this video, we'll talk about how to link your official TikTok account in their TikTok Shop Seller Center. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to seller.tiktok.com, and from in there you should be able to see your login page. Now onto your login page right here, you have the option to log in, usually with your email or phone number and password. But if you want to link your TikTok account, what you can do is you can click onto this login with TikTok account option we can see on this case. Head over and click on that, and from in there you should be able to see this. So you can use QR code to log in or use your phone, email, Facebook, Google, and the likes. So it depends on how you typically log into TikTok. So I recommend this first option since you can just scan this and it should be able to open it directly into your TikTok account. You can just scan it to your TikTok and it will log it in right there. You don't need any password or likes aside from these options right here. So head over and use this option. And once you have logged into your seller center using TikTok, you should be able to link your TikTok account to your seller center. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.